Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to keep your screen from turning off Windows 11. To start, click on Settings. Now in System, click on Power. Then click on Screen and Sleep. After that, in all the available options, select the value Never. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.